Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the finishing touch of your website at the end of the design and development. In the last few classes, we learned how to go to customize and how to set up the whole design and customize our pages. We did it in the last class, the home page, and this is the home page of the website, and we can see uh, the first part of this website is full width setup, but the second one is boxed, and this block is boxed and not full width. uh, by this time you already know what is full width. I will show you again. uh, but this another block, this one is not also full width, but we can do it. It seems this one is full width and it is in the box. Alright, and this one too. And finally, we will check what's wrong. Actually, um, at the end of our learning, we are just um, giving a finishing touch, and we are tuning our website. At the last moment, we are checking uh, in in a brief, we can say we are testing whether the website is functioning well. Alright, if you go to About Me, we can see this one. And before you complete your design or customization or development of the website, you have to check each and everything. You have to click whether when you are saying click here for details whether it is working or not. You have to check when you are clicking on Facebook, you have to check whether it is navigating to Facebook. When you clicking on Twitter, you have to check whether it is integrated properly or linked properly and it's navigating to the Twitter account. Alright, so you have to check each and everything. And when you are clicking on My Services, you have to look whether it is taking you to My Services page. Okay, now let's go and check each and every page that you design and developed or customize are working properly. Click on contact page and see whether the contact page is working fine. Okay, when you are telling your visitors, your clients, to put their name, email address, and subject message, then clicking here, you have to check whether it is functioning well, whether it's uh, serving the purpose of this block of code. All right. So like if I put my name, email address, and subject and message, and I click on send button, if the messages are not sent, if you don't receive the message, that means something wrong. You have to check again and again and make sure it's serving the purpose. Okay, now I want to work on homepage and show you how you can tune your website more um, beautifully and more professionally. Okay, so I was telling you this was let's click on edit with Elementor. We are using Elementor plugin to customize our whole web page, web application. Okay, so scroll down, and this is block up code, and this one is another block up code, and uh, this part also another block up code. So we have to check each and every block of code. Where we can check it, here you can find a plus sign. I want a little gap between this two block of code. So what I can do, I can just click on the option, okay, then drag and drop the divider, and I can make it solid, or I can make it double, I can make it dotted, or even I can make it dashed. Okay, you see it's changing. So weight, you can make it 5, 6, 7, or you can make it like center, or you can make the width 100%, the way you want actually. Okay, I like double. Okay, and I can make it little, maybe 75. That's fine. You can put 100, no problem at all. Okay, but you have to also click right button of your computer button and click on edit section and check. You see the section is not stressed, so you have to make it stressed because the earlier one is stressed and it is content with boxed, but I don't want content with boxed, I want full width. Okay, because this one is also full width. But if your client wants it, you can also put into the box. But sometimes clients don't know what actually they want. You have to ask questions and find out what actually they are looking for. Okay, now whatever I change, I have to click on update, and this block of code, this part has been updated. All right, now I go to another block of code, this part, and I see this one also needs some editing. Okay, you see the section is not stressed and it is in the box. I want full width. Okay, and update. All right, then go to the next block of code. In the same way we can check it. Go to the edit section, right button click on edit, and we see section is stressed and it's already content width, full width. Okay, so we don't need to change it. Let's check this one. It's not, so do it and make a little more beautiful, professional, and it will look stunning, more beautiful, more professional. Okay, now we checked and scroll a little down and we see that's all okay. It's all okay. It looks not stressed. Yes, and full width, update. Okay, update. Make sure it has been updated. Then I'll go a little down and check this part also. It's okay, I guess. I know. So make it. And finally, the last block of this home page, we are going to edit stressed the section, and it will not be in the box, it will be full width. Okay, and update it. Thus you can check each and every block of your other pages and make it cohesive and more beautiful, more robust, more functional, and more professional. Okay, so that's all for today. I think you have now the whole idea how you can start from scratch to the end of your website and build step by step from beginning to end. If you didn't follow my lectures of my previous classes, just go to www.patreon.com/my name, Pablo Nakrik, and you will find some more um, courses there. Like just write www.patreon.com/ I think my name. Yes. Just click here. Okay. Right here. So you can find some basic classes here for free, but if you want to learn more, you can just pay like $5 a month, okay, and learn intermediate level. Um, I have several courses here, several tiers, whatever necessary you can choose according your needs, okay, and I can assure you, you will not regret. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to learn complete web development from beginning to end, like front end and back end, this course is for you. Like I'll complete within 3 months, so mm, not much. Within 1500 you can learn front end web development and also back end development, Python with Django. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you will learn a lot from this tutorial.